Hi Drum TV viewers, this is Revolution George.
And I'm Joseph.
Hey, we've been around working. We run a multimedia company now, we're doing adverts and stuff, but also behind the scenes we've been producing a whole lot of artists that you guys are dancing to now. We co-produced Agulalo, Lemoshimza, we did Bo, Heavy K-Way, and Unati's new album, and then obviously the new Revolution album. The album is called Moribo. It's our 15th studio album. 15. It's our 15th studio album. It's got 14 tracks. The big single on this thing is called Springtime. One of the most amazing tracks to come out of SA. It's now number 25 all over the world on the charts. It's on high rotation in all the radio stations.
And also, we work with different musicians across the world. We've got Nayo, who's from Nigeria, who's based in the UK. We've got Trezor, who's from the DRC. We've got we've got Karabo, who's in Doha, but she's South African. So this album is a worldwide sort of collaboration with different musicians across the whole world. So it's an interesting album. Check it out.
What would you say is your favorite track?
Wow. Our favorite track on the album.
It's like someone saying choose which one of your favorite kids. But I'd say for now, because we're pushing Springtide, Springtide would be the favorite song for now. It's the flavor for the moment. But all the songs on the album are great. They're hot and they're all different. The one thing I like about this album is it doesn't sound like any other Revolution album we've done. And also it doesn't sound like anything that's out there. With Revolution, we always try and experiment and come up with new things that no one else has done out there. So what we're planning to do, especially in the coming year, we're going to do tours with conferences. We're going to take a lot of our friends who are in the music industry, and then earlier in the days we'll transfer information and knowledge that we've learned throughout the years to the young kids of all the different provinces. And then later on, we go to the gigs.
And then speaking of next year, any future plans, Revolution?
Already we're doing collaboration with really some amazing artists. There's going to be a collaboration with us and Salif Keita. Who's going to be on the album, and there's a surprise act. In fact, that the song is already recorded. So I think we'll make some announcement as soon as it's done. Even the videos of all of these are going to be out very soon. So check it out. And also we'll be signing new acts within the label. There's new releases that are also coming out. There's a Dramatic Boys album that's also coming out, and the Ecstatic Soul album that we're also pushing. And we're also signing some new, not new, it's very prominent jazz acts that we've now signed into our label as well. So we'll make the announcement later.
All right. And fun tip: 3 things that people don't know about you.
Well,
3 things that people don't know about us.
We've got different tastes, especially in women. Because the myth twins. So that's a myth. It doesn't happen with us. Different colors as well. If it's cars, he likes silver. I like black.
Another thing that people don't really know about us is that we travel the world. We like traveling. That's like the best thing that we do, and also we're into property a lot. So that's what a lot of people don't know about us.
So property moguls?
No, not mogul. Not yet. As soon as I think, you still have to work hard to get there.
Thanks to everyone who's been supporting Revolution, for all the years. For a group or team to be sustaining and be relevant 15 years later, guys. Thanks to the people out there, because without the people who are supporting us, we are nothing. And thanks to obviously you guys for putting us on the platform. The media for looking out for local musicians. Thank you. And to the people out there, let's support local music. The new Revolution album is out. Support.
Well.